In this video, we're going to be solving question 14 of the 2021 Junior Mathematics Olympiad first round. We're asked to find the area of a triangle whose side lengths are 9 cm, 6 cm, and 5 centimeters. Okay, so notice that what we're given about this triangle, the information we have is the three side lengths of that triangle. And when you have something like this, when you're given the three side lengths of a triangle and you're asked to find the area of that triangle, you're going to make use of something called Heron's formula. So if the three side lengths of a triangle are ABC, that's one side is A, the other side is B, and the other side is C, then the area of that triangle is going to be the square root of S into brackets S minus A, that's S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter. And the semi-perimeter is defined as half of the perimeter, that's A plus B plus C divided by 2. So if you're given the three side lengths of a triangle and you're asked to find the area of that triangle, you start by adding the three side lengths together and dividing by 2 to give you the semi-perimeter of that triangle. And then using that and the three side lengths ABC of the triangle, you can find the area of the triangle using square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Okay, so in our case, let's say that we have the three sides of the triangle to be 9, 6, and 5. So let's say that A is 9 cm, we'll just write it as 9, B is 6, and then C is 5. If we have these three, that means that the semi-perimeter S, which is A plus B plus C over 2, which is 9 plus 6 plus 5 over 2, and 9 plus 6 plus 5 is 20, so that's 20 over 2. And so the semi-perimeter of this triangle is going to be 10. And since we have the semi-perimeter of the triangle to be 10, we can go ahead to say that the area of this triangle is going to be the square root of 10 times the semi-perimeter minus the first side. We have A to be 9, so that's going to be 10 minus 9 here. Times we have B to be 6, so we'll have 10 minus 6 here. And we have C to be 5, so we'll have 10 minus 5 here. And so the area of that triangle is going to be the square root of 10 times 10 minus 9 is 1, so we have times 1 here, times 10 minus 6 is 4, we have times 4 here, and then 10 minus 5 is 5, so we'll have 5 here. So the area of this triangle is going to be the square root of 10 times 4 times 5, which is 40 times 5, that's the square root of 200. And then 200 is the same as 100 times 2. So A now, that's the area of this triangle, is going to be 10 root 2. And yes, option D is the correct answer here. So that's how to go about solving this question. So if you're given the three side lengths of a triangle and you're asked to find the area, you make use of the Heron's formula. You start by finding the semi-perimeter of the triangle, and then you use that and the three side lengths in the Heron's formula, that's this formula here, to find the area of the triangle. So that's how to go about solving this question.